everyone, welcome to the Switching Gears channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and if you're returning, thanks for coming back. Finally, my Tab 2 into 2 headers came in, and I'm ready to get them installed on the bike. For those of you that don't know or haven't seen the videos before, I have the Tab 50 Cal Slip-ons on already, but I have the stock Headpipe on. And for any of you that have that stock Headpipe, know that that cat holds a lot of heat. Now I'm looking forward to getting rid of that and have some awesome sound come from these pipes finally. Now I got the bags off already and got everything set up a little bit, so let's start pulling this thing apart. Go ahead and start removing the stock heat shields. noticed these on the new headers, so let's go ahead and remove them. Alright, now that we got these both on the new headers, let's go ahead and go over to the crossover pipe. Alright, so I went ahead and put this center pipe on. This bracket came in a little bit too far to the left, so I ended up having to center it. You're going to want to leave these loose right here until you adjust everything up here and get everything centered the way you want it. Not gonna lie to you, aligning this and putting this on by myself is a little bit of pain in the ass, but it's doable. Obviously, I got it on there. It's tightened down very loosely, that way we're still able to adjust everything, and we have the O2 sensors back on. They go right back in the same spots. Now let's go ahead and align the center bracket in the back. that's going to do it for today's video. Next video, we're going to tune it and take it for a ride. If you haven't already, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that alert notification button. That way you can be reminded what's going on here at the Switching Gears channel. See you on the next one, guys.